What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel today. Today we're back out at the pond. Yes, we're back at the pond. It's the end of September. You know, fall is here. Feels good out here. It's about 70 degrees. It is very, very windy. We got, I guess, the remnants off of that Hurricane Ian that just hit Florida coming tomorrow or the day after. So, you know, it's very windy out here. We're going to get a lot of rain. You know, as you could tell, this pond needs some rain, as well as a lot of the ponds in our area need some rain to fill back up. So we're just gonna see if we can't catch a few. We're gonna put y'all on the chesty, and we're just gonna fish. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see if we can't catch some. Alright, y'all, the first thing we're going to be starting off with today is just a tiny little swim bait. This is Strike King 2.75 inch on a 1/8 ounce jig head. We're just going to throw it around, see what we do. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, there you go. Just a little bitty guy. Nothing fancy. So, here's a little update for y'all. I caught 2 fish on the little swim bait I showed y'all earlier. They were teeny tiny fish. I mean, not very much bigger than that swim bait, and that's not. So, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm going to put on the Cinco now. I'm gonna try the Cinco. You know, it's windy, and fishing a weightless bait in a wind like this is gonna be tough. But I'm gonna try it. So, y'all had to wait and see. Stay tuned, y'all. Oh. There's a little bit better of a fish. Still a dink, but a little bit better. Get on in here, son. The fuck? Not a bad fish. Well, y'all, it's tough fishing out here today. We got 1 fish with the Cinco, 2 on the little swim bait. It's windy as heck. Just not a good day. The only good thing about it is overcast and not hot. We're going to keep trying, so y'all hang in there. Beautiful out here this evening on the farm. Beautiful, just beautiful. Alright, y'all, caught 1 on the buzz bait. Not a little small fish, but hey, it's number 4 on the mini buzz bait. Alright, y'all, let's go do it for today's episode. You know, we caught 4, 1 off camera, which was on the buzz bait. Caught 2 on the little swim bait, little Strike King swim bait. And caught 1 on the Berkeley General Cinco. So overall, it wasn't a terrible day. You know, the conditions are not the best. You know, it's still real windy. You know, we got pretty good gusts that'll come through every now and then. And what can you do? Just get out there and try. You know, can't catch them sitting at home, so gotta come out here and try. But I was also testing out a new camera for y'all, the Tacticam Fisheye. You know, it's a pretty cool little camera. I hope to get out on my boat soon and my buddy's boat. Get on the lake, film some different content for y'all, some different scenery. But I hope y'all like today's episode. And that's pretty much it. Y'all pray for the folks down in Florida. They got hit with a really bad hurricane yesterday. The remnants of that are coming up, to where I live. So y'all say a prayer for them and that they can get back on their feet. But until next time, y'all, tight lines.